Ukraine is finally stepping up strikes on Russian-controlled railways and trains. While these should be taken out a long time ago, as for example this is in Zaporizhia, it's better late than never. Ukraine's drone army seems to want to cause maximum damage, striking Russian train while in transport, causing fire on fuel trains to both stop the delivery but also help destroy the track and make more of a mess. Taking a longer time to repair and clear up, while Ukraine is able to strike the position and during repairing stages, closing one of Russia's most important transportation abilities, leaving Russia's army with less resources for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.